These products are all empty because I love them. It's not often that I finish products because I'm a brat that gets sent them. No, I do receive a lot of products and I try things, I see how they work, I see if they work for you guys, and then I kind of move on. But there are some products in here that I have loved so much that I have got every single ounce of them finished. So I'm gonna go through some of them. This could be a long one, so grab yourself some sort of hot beverage or a whiskey if you're of legal drinking age and get comfy. Now, if you're new to this, you're wondering who's that guy that's rambling on, then hi, I'm Robin. This right here is Man for Himself. If you like hair care, hairstyles, hair product reviews, grooming, skincare, fragrance, then press subscribe right now. Okay, I am gonna start with a product that you guys will know from manforhimself.com. I've spoken a lot about it, and also from some of my sort of how-tos and get-readies with me's, and that is SACHAJUAN Ocean Mist. This is a sea salt spray like no other. I'm actually I'm running 2 bottles at once at the moment, a small one and a large one. This is so good. I have said this before, but with sea salt sprays, I sometimes find that my hair feels really crispy, it feels heavy, and I just don't like the way it goes. But this is light enough to be used every single day. It combines so well. I've been combining it with sort of primer tonics, and it just styles perfectly. I love the way my hair looks, and I love the way it feels. So this is very much recommended from me. Right, you can go now to recycling heaven. Thank you very much. She's over there. Next, I'm gonna go with, let's jump into the shower, why not? And this is a shower gel that, again, shower gels are like, oh, we'll just use whatever. But I think if you can start your day in the right way with a great shower gel, then you are onto a good thing. Bulldog launched 4 shower gels last year, and I love Bulldog, I love what they do, I think great price point, I love their sort of ethos, it's ethical, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, and it's in a larger bottle to save on plastics. Now this one is peppermint and eucalyptus. This gives you that sort of body tingle in the shower, so if you like that sort of thing, it's great. And this, it will be linked below, I know manforhimself.com, I'm sure is £3, so it is cheap and so worth it. But if you want to get fully luxurious, and lathered in the morning, then this one is your boy. Now, this is by Malone, and this is a body oil. Now, this goes on really thick, so you only need a tiny bit. It feels like pure fragrance. You lather it onto your body and just let it glide. And this one is MYRRH and TONKA. This is not actually a scent that I have, but the sort of deeper, darker tones of Jo Malone, like the ginger, lily, and amber one I have, and then a new one, which will be coming up. These combine so well, so it's actually really great for layering fragrance. Get it on, leave it for a bit, enjoy your shower, do whatever you want to do, and then wash off. And it lasts, you can smell it all day on the skin. It's not cheap, but it's very much worth it. Okay, let's jump out of the shower, and let's go to a bit of shaving. Now, this one's a bit of a, I finished it and then I binned it, so sorry, but I liked it so much that I got another one. This is the Grooming Oil by Lab Series. This not only looks cool and very interesting, but it works a treat. Now, you can see there's 3 different oil types there, but when you shake, because they're different viscosity, there you go, I know that from my chemistry days at school, but if you give them a little shake, which you'll do before you use it, they mix. Now, this is 3 in 1. I like anything that makes our sort of morning easier. And this does a pre-shave oil, it does a shave oil, and does a beard oil. I think pre-shave and shave are basically the same thing, so it's a shave oil. And then you can kind of get it into your beard, into your facial hair. It's light enough, it's got an oily sort of texture to it, but it doesn't sit heavy. Also, if you're someone that really wants to have precise facial hair, this goes on clear. So it means you can really get that trimmer, the detailer, and get it just as you want it. So I've really enjoyed this. And again, for the facial hair I do have, it's really great to maintain that. Okay, you're gonna be kept. He's going there. I'm gonna go into, we're gonna go for this serum here. I had this in the Get Ready With Me that I filmed in the Highlands of Scotland. If you've not seen that one, I will link it up there in the cards. I'm really pleased with this video. It looks good, and it's also got some of my favorite products. Now, this is by DECLEOR. Now, you might think that a sort of oil or a serum shouldn't be used on oily skin. I have oily skin, but this worked a real treat. I popped this on clean, cleansed skin before using moisturizer, and it sort of smoothed the appearance of my skin, it minimized the look of pores, and it also just gave it a really great base to then go on and use what other products I want. Again, not cheap, but just one drop of this onto the skin, dab it on, especially the T-zone, up onto the cheeks. I just absolutely loved it. This one, unfortunately, has been discontinued. However, we have found other ones that are available, and DECLEOR are really good at sort of finding those different points of skincare that you would need. So if you are slightly dry, they've got one for that. If you've got a combination, if you're oily, they are there too. So we will link them down below. Definitely worth a shot. Okay, goodbye. You have served me well. We are gonna go for another sort of product that arrived in Man for Himself HQ. And I thought, what is this? And one day I was kind of scrabbling around, my skin felt tight, it felt sore, and I thought, okay, let's try this. This is the Balancing Mist by Disciple. This is a lesser known brand, but a brand that you should really know about. Now, this Balancing Mist has geranium in it, and it's also got copper peptides. If you're gonna like break that down, what does it mean? It's basically just gonna take that heat off your skin. You can use it as a toner, so that's after cleansing, before you moisturize. Toners, and I will talk about this more in Man for Himself when we're looking at sort of different skincare. Toners can be used for various things. One, to sort of sort out the pH of the skin, so kind of get it back to where it should be after cleansing. Another one, it might be to minimize the look of pores. This one really just keeps the skin fresh. You can use it in the morning, or you can use it like I have on my desk, just when you need that extra spritz and that pick-me-up. I have loved it. It is finished, and I have another one on my desk now. I also know when I've used this before, loads of you guys clicked on this, so I know that you were really interested in it. So check it out too. Okay, I'm gonna take a bit of coffee on this one. We're gonna go, down he goes. We're gonna go into some moisturizers, and these, next time we're going whiskey. These are products that I have found work perfectly for my oily skin. My skin is constantly changing. I think the older I get, the sort of drier it gets onto the cheeks, it's become more combination, but I still have that oily T-zone. So if you're an oily guy, these products will work perfectly for you. I'm gonna do that, put my name and my neck on the line. But let's go, so there's 4 here. We're gonna go with, there's actually 3 here and a new one. I'm gonna go with probably like the most expensive one on this, and this is Age Defender by Kiehls. Now, Kiehls have a couple of different ranges. Age Defender has got an under eye cream, it's got a charcoal face wash, it's got this. What's different about this that I think is the sort of the key selling point on this is that it's a gel. So you'll often find with moisturizers that they can be quite creamy. I find that creamy moisturizers clog my pores, they sit heavy, they sometimes give a bit of a white cast to the skin. But with a gel, it goes on lighter, it's really easily absorbed, and it helps to combat that oil. It is expensive, but I've really enjoyed it. Also, if you're a guy that then goes on to, say, cosmetic products, maybe you wear a powder or a foundation, this will actually smooth the appearance of the skin. So it sort of sets it almost like a primer would do. I have loved it. I've not got another one, but I think I will. Will I? Yes, I will. And it's also on manforhimself.com with these other ones. And I should say, some of these products, I'm not gonna tell you which ones, are in the Man for Himself Holy Grail. These are 5-star products that have been tested, they've been hardcore tested. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. They've been hardcore tested, and I've loved them. They're products that you should be trying. And one of those products is Kiehls. Now this again is a lighter moisturizer. This is an aqua gel. It goes on smooth, it goes on clear, and it has an SPF. This is an SPF 50. It is broad spectrum, which means it's UVA for the aging and UVB for the burning. SPFs are something we should all be wearing. You might want to do your SPF separately on top of your moisturizer, but if you just want to get something, if it can be built into the moisturizer, then go for it. Again, light enough, it goes on smooth, and it gives you that protection. And I have absolutely loved this. And from Kiehls to Dr. Murad. Now, this was a brand I didn't really know about, and it's now a brand that I am looking to, and I'm looking to see what other products are doing because this has worked so well with my skin. This is a mattifying moisturizer, so it means it is going to take off that excess shine. It absorbs the sebum, which is the oily secretion from the skin and from your hair. That's the stuff to protect, but we don't want to be seeing that. And this has worked so well. This is an SPF 15, which is low, so when you're putting it against your Kiehls, it's tricky. But I've loved this because it is so light on the skin, and actually out of all of these, it feels like it's been absorbed the fastest, and it's given me that really great sort of quenching feeling that a moisturizer should do. This one I have loved, and I was going to get another one. However, Murad have a new one, which is the same, but it's broad spectrum against UVA and UVB, and this is an SPF 45. And again, it's mattifying, so we'll just absorb that excess sort of oil on the skin. The final product, you can go here, you've been kept, you go there. The final product in my list is one that I was using at night. And night creams, this is when I tend to go heavier and denser because I want my skin to really have that moment to absorb everything that's going on. I do try sort of little oils, I'll try maybe a retinol treatment, but I loved this. And this is by Emma Hardy, and it's the Moisture Boost, which has vitamin C in the cream. Now, Emma Hardy's a facialist. She's got a range of products and treatments. This one was one of my sort of first introductions to her. And I've got to say, fully, oh no, that's not. I can still have a bit of this. This is so good. What I think is really special about this is vitamin C has been one of those sort of buzz sort of products that we've had recently. Vitamin C is really great for brightening skin. It's great for luminosity. It gives you that instant boost. I've used one sort of under my eyes, especially onto the sort of crow's feet, but I've really enjoyed this as a night cream. And what is special about this is the texture to it. It feels really creamy, but it's got a slight stickiness to it, which I would hate during the day, but I love at night because the skin just feels, again, it's that sort of quenching. The skin feels really moisturized, it feels hydrated, and the next day you wake up and you have bright, luminous skin. That sounds like you've got orange skin, but you've got bright and really dewy skin. And I think this has been great. This is sort of the mid-range. This is the late 30s to early 40s in terms of price, but again, you'll always get the best prices on manfromself.com. We troll the internet and see what's going on with them and pop them on there. So thank you very much, Emma. I've very much enjoyed you. I will be looking to more products from you to see what's going on. But, oh, smashing. But there you go. Those are my empties. Already for this month, I have more, which I'm finishing up, and some new products that I know you're gonna love. So if you are new to this, press subscribe right now. It means you're not gonna miss out. And if you want this sort of inside scoop, that sounds naff. If you want this sort of the goings on from Man From Self HQ and more product reviews about the products that really will suit you and work for you, then make sure you sign up to the newsletter right now. There's always cards up there, and there's always bits in the description, including all these products. But thank you again for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this. Hope you finished your coffee or your whiskey. Maybe you're going on a night out, or maybe you're going to bed. But make sure you press subscribe right now. Links on screen, more videos. Stay with me, watch them. But I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.